Hey, it's Chris, and a few weeks ago I made a video on the Apple Watch. I think it was Unbelievably Useful Apple Watch Apps number 2, and it featured briefly this really cool, super ultra minimal watch face with an owl on it that I found on Reddit. And long story short, a ton of people asked me about it, where could they get it, and how was it made? Well, it turns out that the person who made that watch face saw the video, reached out and said, hey, do you want to collaborate on showing people how they can get that watch face or make their own? And I was like, yeah. So the guy that created that watch face, his name is Callum, and he's gonna walk you through his process, which he did a great job of keeping short and sweet and to the point. It's really simple, anyone can do it. And he also created some templates so that you can make your own, which I'm gonna link up down in the description. Before Callum comes on, I just wanna say I spent some time and made my own ultra minimal watch faces with the Daily Tech logo and some other stuff, which I'm gonna link up down below too. So if I can do it, you can do it. Here's Callum.
Hey Chris, thank you so much for having me on your channel today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom watch face for your Apple Watch, and I'm going to be demonstrating how I created the OVO Owl watch face, which was featured in one of your previous videos. So I always thought that Apple were very strict on customization, and everyone always wants third-party apps to create watch faces, but it's not possible. So I saw that you can create a photo watch face and thought, well, what if I can create something in Photoshop and then put it on the watch and you have a custom face? So that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. Okay, so first what I need to do, I need to work out the dimensions of the Apple Watch. I need to know the resolution. So what I did was I took a screenshot on my Apple Watch of just the blank time photo watch face. What I did then was I took it into Photoshop, which you can see here. I worked out the dimensions, which were 312 by 390, and I wanted to create a high quality watch face. So what I did was I times that resolution by 3, giving me 936 by 1170. So once I knew them dimensions, I'm going to times that together. So if I do 936 by 1170, we now have a much larger canvas to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow this up all the way to the size I've just created. Cool. Okay, so now we have that. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to choose the icon that I want in this area. So the reason that I wanted to do an owl is because I'm a big fan of Drake, and it's also quite a nice simple logo to put on your face. So what I'm going to do is place it above the date. Now what I like about the template that I've made here is that you can see all this black space around it, so you know where you can put your logos, where you can put your text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Command T and hold down Shift and move it up and down so I can scale it, and I'm going to place it just above the date here. So this is what it's going to look like on your wrist. So that's the best part about the template that I'm going to be making is that whatever you see on here is what you're going to be seeing on your watch, which is really awesome. So in the template, I'm also going to be adding some of these rulers as well, so you can see just where you need to put the icon that you want. So I'm going to line this up with the time down here. Put that here. So right now, this is where the icon is. Now what I am going to do also is I'm going to add a black background, so when we unhide the screenshot, all you have left is the owl. So this is what you're going to be putting on your watch, and this is what's going to be on your wrist essentially. So you can do this with any icon you want. So this is the one I've chosen, and the template will be linked in the description. I assume Chris is going to put that there, so you can download it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save it as a PNG. I'm then going to put it onto my iPhone, whether that's through AirDrop, message, email, whichever way you want to. And then we're going to hop into the iPhone app and we're going to put it on the watch. So let's go over there now. Okay. So now you have your Apple Watch face you've just designed onto your iPhone. You now need to open the Apple Watch app where you can create faces and you can change them and make the way you want. You then need to add a photo face, so whether that's on your watch or it's on your phone, you need to add a brand new photo face. This will probably have synced album when you first click on it, that will have like photos on your phone. But what you want to do is you want to click custom, choose photos, you want to click the Apple Watch face you just created, which is the owl, and that's pretty much it. Obviously if you want to have the time at the top, you're going to have to redesign the face in itself, but I usually like the watch face at the bottom, so this is the one that I've designed around. But apart from that, that's pretty much it. And yeah, hopefully that adds a little bit of customization to your Apple Watch. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that helps some people. And thanks Chris again for having me on the channel. I hope to speak to you soon. See you later.
Wow, obviously very cool. Thank you, Callum. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna love you for putting this video together. Again, all the links are down in the description, including the original owl watch face and some extras and a template, so go check it out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.